Good morning guys! So today may pasok ako, then after work meron kaming year-end party at nagdala ko ng aking dress and shoes na gagamitin mamaya. Ang ganda naman ang daanan dito. May mga petals na nagbabaksakan. Yung nakuha naming free sample. Gamitin natin. On the way kami ngayon pupunta sa aming year-end party. After work, madalian lang kami. Yung dalawang boss namin nasa unahan. Welcome to Majestic Hotel Christmas Park. Christmas Park.
Go, I'll write that down. I'll just
Baka manalo tayo dyan, ha? So,
put that underneath. So,
parang nag-picnic lang tayo dito.
your turn now. You look lovely. How do you say your first name?
Ed.
Ed. Ah, nice. And age 28. I'm Brad.
Ang aking mga ka-workmate. Meron kaming water, soft drinks. Ready si Ate Karen, talagang may upuan Ay, kay Judith. Kay Judith pala. Ang dami namin Pilipino dito,
Ang dami namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cold rolls. Kain tayo, guys. Yung cold rolls kaya lang ang tigas. Ayan, try natin burger. Thank you. Tinikman na namin lahat. Burger naman tayo. Ito at least mas masarap pa to. Sa atin naman, try natin. Try this one. The ring. Akala ko pusit. Vegetable pala to. Di Mary, yung number mo. I-ready mo na.
Sassy!
08. Si Sassy.
Yes, it is real. Come around.
Is this real? Ay, akala ko ayun yun.
Keepers, enjoy.
Talagang lasinggero to siya.
Lasinggero ka.
50.
Siyempre. Ay, malaki. Just the big one.
Pinili din yung kasyo. Pangkain na.
Let's go home. Mary, maybe $100 in there.
$100. Buksan na yan. Ano daw? Even know what to get. Binuksan na agad Binuksan na agad. Ate Mary nanalo na. 1 night.
We go to you should buy something for us.
Diyan, 1 gift card.
What did you get?
Kay Diyan, go. Hotel, accommodation.
Oh, where? Anywhere good?
Majestic. Yeah. From Garden.
M-Suite. Try M-Suite.
Do you work at M-Suite?
No, Roof
Garden.
Roof Garden.
She can collect water.
You can go shopping.
Turo, $100 lang, Jay. Parang doon na yung yung kamay ko. Dessert time.
Parang to, yung parang laming to, nilagyan ng cream.
Masarap naman. Malambot na.
Masarap to. Kala ko
Kasi
katulad
malambot mo.
Kala ko katulad mo, iniiwan doon sa atin.
Naglalaro sila. Anong tawag dyan? Wala lang.
Shoot the hole.
Shoot the hole. Oo. Finally, nakauwi na ako ng bahay, guys. Sinanggal ko na yung ko. So, ito na yung pinaka-Christmas party namin. Since nag-COVID, medyo nag-budget na yung aming, management, hotel management. Dati, bongga. Before, pwede mo isama yung partner mo, then dinner. Ang ganda before guys, sa gabi ginagana. Pero ngayon, ito year-end party lang. And umatin na din ako guys kasi ito na yung huling atin ko dito sa aming work sa hotel. So anyway, finger food lang kami doon. But masaya na, medyo boring. But ano naman nakakatuwa kasi nakita namin ulit ibang mga workmate din, mga staff. Ayan pala yung outfit ko kanina guys. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Ayan. Jumpsuit siya, then backless sa likod. Tinanggal ko na. Ayan ko na yung vlog ko guys and hope to see you on my next one.